Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect Squarespace domain to Shopify in 2024. So I'm going to guide you through the process of connecting it together. Whether you're moving your store or just starting out, this tutorial will help you seamlessly integrate your domain with your Shopify store. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's follow this simple step-by-step guide and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use whatever you want. And make sure to access your admin panel in both like Squarespace and Shopify. So go to this URL section, basically go to shopify.com, hit the enter button, open a new tab, go to Squarespace.com, hit the enter button again, and make sure to log into both your accounts, Squarespace and Shopify. If you don't have an account, you can go and click on Get Started in both to create an account. You can use Google or Apple, I guess, or even Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. So for me here, I'll just go and click on Account Dashboard, and for this Shopify, I'll just go and access my store right away. If the store is not there anymore, yeah, because the store get deactivated after 3 days because I'm just on the free plan. I'll just go here and click on all my stores example, click on create, and click on create another store. Very simple. So skip all the questions. If you answer those questions, this will customize the store however you want. But for me, I'll just skip all those questions. As you can see, they are built in my store like however I want. Depend if I answer the questions. If I don't, they will just do something random or the average. So here, as you can see, I am on my store and I am on my admin panel on both Shopify, as example, and Squarespace. So as we said, we would like to connect Squarespace domain to Shopify. So first of all, we would like to have a domain on Squarespace, right? So if we go here to domains example, for me, I have no domain. So if you don't have any domain, of course, you can simply click on get a domain as an example. But normally, if you want to connect your domain, maybe or you want to transfer your domain to Squarespace from Squarespace to Shopify, make sure to just get it on Shopify, and you should be done. But if you don't, you can simply just go here to Squarespace and simply search for domains. Example, just type here Nomics, maybe omix.com. Let's see if this is available or not as example. So yeah, it seems okay. It's unavailable. So I'll just go. What about omix with a double X? And it's unavailable also. What about like omix dot online as example or something like that? So dot online, is that available? So what about double X dot online? So yeah, it seems available as an example. But if you want to get like a discount, you can get .org. That's also like Omix app, etc., which will be much cheaper. As example. So what about as example? Just omix.on, is it available or something like that? So okay, so omix like okay. So I'll just list it like that, or I'll just add like a 01.com. What about that? Is that available or not? So it seems like available. As you can see, .com, we can get that. So as example, if you go and add that, so I can go here and click on continue to checkout, of course, and try to get that domain name right away. So I added two. I'll just go and delete one as an example. So as you can see here, you can choose how much or how many years you want to keep it. So if you want to keep it for 1 year, it's going to be $12. For 2 years example, it's going to be 32. If you want to get it for 3 years, if you want to get it for 2 years as example, you'll get I guess like for first year discounts it's $9. So it seems that yeah, it's okay as an example. So click on save and continue, go through registration, address, payments, review it, fill up all those informations. Once you buy it, you'll find that you have it here. Now you would like to connect that Squarespace domain as an example to your Shopify store. So as an example, now if we go to our Shopify store and we access the online store section here right away, if we go and access this online store here as an example, if we go here as an example in our online store, if we go to preferences as an example, if we scroll down, let me just check if it's in here. So it's not in here. Wait, let me just check if it's in navigation. If it's not in navigation, you'll probably find it in like settings. I'm just checking if it might be here or not. So it seems like it's not here. It's fine. So all I need to do is simply go to settings here and go to domains. Normally you'll find domains right here. And as you can see here, you can simply buy your new domain or connect to an existing domain. So if you go and click on connect to an existing domain, as an example, whatever we try to buy, I don't know, it was like omics like 01.com. So for me, I guess here they will tell us like it's not existing or something like that. Yeah, as you can see, they'll tell us it's available for purchase, so no one has it. But what if I choose, I'll just choose like omics.com, click on next. So as you can see, this is the domain. Try and connect in your domain. To connect your domain, follow the instructions to change your provider account settings. So follow the settings instructions to connect it. So as an example, just go and click on follow that settings instructions. Once you do so, of course, you will have to follow the instructions. Once you follow it, you can verify the connection and make sure your domain is set up correctly by clicking on this option. It will verify if it's connected or not. As an example, for me, it's not connected yet because I still did not do that. So here, as an example, let me just go and what about like, so as you said, go and connect the domain. I don't know if I still have this domain or not, but let me just check if it's available. Oh, so this domain is in another Shopify store. I already like connected to another Shopify store, so let me just go and check live. Yeah. So basically, depending on the domain that you entered, and depending on the domain, provider that you have the domain on, and normally in Squarespace, they will give you special like instructions for it. As you can see, there's a problem. I don't know why, because maybe this domain has something wrong with it or something like that. What about like this one? Is it's from the same like provider? So yeah, maybe they just have a problem, maybe in Shopify at the moment, or let me just go and check one thing. Okay, so it's not like a connection problem. So basically, and once you click on follow settings instructions, maybe they have a problem at the moment, or the problem with the domain, because I don't know which this domain is like owned by. I don't know which it's owned with by which company or which domain provider. So if it's owned by Squarespace, they should give you the instructions, follow the instructions, and then click on verify connection, and it should be connected like your Squarespace domain should be connected to Shopify without any problem. Or of course, you can go here to Squarespace and click on transfer domain and simply follow the instructions on transferring your domain from here to your Shopify. If you want to transfer, but if you want just to connect, you can simply connect it from here and you should be good to go. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.